Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of TechTalk with Aegis. Today, we are going to discuss about Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365 and what you need to know. Microsoft 365 is the backbone of many businesses today. But did you know that your data isn't automatically protected the way you think it is? We are going to dive into Veeam Data Cloud for Microsoft 365 with Mr. Nigel, the solutions consultant from cloud service providers from Veeam. Let's get started. Thank you, Nigel, for your time today. Okay, so let's jump into our first question.
Okay.
What is Veeam Data Cloud?
What is Veeam Data Cloud? It's basically a fully managed backup as a service solutions that protects your organization Microsoft 365. That includes Exchange Online, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint Online, and OneDrive for Business. So it's built based on the powerful engine, which we call it Veeam Backup for Microsoft 365, but delivered as a service. So your customers don't have to worry about infrastructure, patching, or daily service delivery management. Everything is handled by us in the cloud with fast, secure, and scalable backups plus self-service recovery options.
Okay, then what are the key differences between Veeam Data Cloud for M365 and the traditional Veeam backup for M365?
So the key difference is actually the delivery model. So what we're looking at is that traditional Veeam backup for Micro 365 is a self-managed solution, which means you install, you run it in your own infrastructures. So whether be it on-premises or in the cloud, you are responsible for everything that range from the storage to scheduling to patching and operating system management. So Veeam Data Cloud, on the other hand, is fully managed. So it takes all the complexity out of the equation. So basically, you simply subscribe to the services, the backup, storage, and the maintenance are handled for you. So you still get the full visibility and control over your data without any operational overhead. So that's easy.
Okay, and then I believe there are a lot of misconceptions about M365 backup. Yeah. So, from your point of view, what are the most common misconceptions you see among customers about M365 data protection? And also, how Veeam Data Cloud can address them?
Okay. So I believe one of the biggest misconception about Microsoft 365 is that Microsoft 365 automatically back up your data in a way that meets your compliance, retention, and recovery needs. But in reality is different. Microsoft provide data availability and redundancy, but not full backup or long-term retention. So if you accidentally delete an email or if a user leaves a company, your data could be permanently lost after a short window. So how do we address this? By leveraging on Veeam Data Cloud, it solve this issue comprehensively by providing independent backups via a flexible retention policy and as well as a fast and granular recovery. So this ensures that your data is always protected and recoverable.
So it's a wrong understanding of customers that whenever you are on M365,
Yeah.
which means the Microsoft will automatically protect your data.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Okay. And what challenges do you see customers typically face
Mhm.
when managing M365 backups themselves?
Okay. Managing Microsoft 365 backup often means you are dealing with the infrastructure costs, the scalability of the storage, and of course, regular patching and updates. And all these are time consuming, so it can be quite a hassle when it comes to managing your very own M365 backup deployments. So some organizations and some IT team often struggle with backup scheduling, and like also role-based access control. Then also to make sure that they have to maintain all this to ensure compliance. So it's very time consuming and also very manual. So when it comes to the needs when you need to do specific item recover, like emails or Teams messages, the process can be slow and manual. So with Veeam Data Cloud, all of this is simplified and can be resolved. So it removes the need to manage the infrastructure at the backends, give you the platform that allow you to perform powerful and intuitive administrative actions through the web-based interface. So you can achieve like fast recovery and restore capabilities.
Okay, now that was about technicality side of things.
Yeah.
How about when it comes to cost?
The cost can be very challenging because you have to manage the upfront capex as well as the storage costs as well. Especially storage is it's not cheap either. But if you are managing that, that's probably typical the situation you are managing on your own when customer manage backup in their own infrastructures.
Okay, all right. And as you mentioned earlier, Veeam Data Cloud, it's more of a managed kind of services. So how do you see partners like Aegis Cloud
Mhm.
enhancing the customer's experience for those who are embarking on the Veeam Data Cloud for M365 journey?
Okay. I believe partners like Aegis Cloud plays a critical role in delivering the seamless customer experience. They can bring local expertise to the customers through the likes of tailored onboarding and ongoing support that bridge the gap between the technology and the business outcome that your customer needs. Okay, so Aegis also can help customers to access their data protection needs through configuration of retention policies, ensuring compliance can be addressed, and even integrate with service like other IT workloads. So that, in short, it make it easier for service provider like Aegis to make it easier and more efficient for customers to adopt Veeam Data Cloud and also maximize the value from day one.
Yeah, I think with Aegis Cloud's more than 15 years of cloud backup and disaster recovery experience, just focus on doing backup and DR only, I think our managed services team is able to bring your customers' M365 backup journey into a seamless deployment.
Yeah. I probably put it in a nutshell, Veeam Data Cloud make it super easy to protect your Microsoft 365 data. So without any of the headaches to manage it on your own, you get reliable and secure backup and fast recovery as services. So, and with partners like Aegis Cloud, customers get extra layer of support to ensure that the whole experience is smooth and stress-free. So at the end of the day, it's about giving business peace of mind, ensuring your data is safe, and also make sure that the data protection is always in control.
Yeah, I think that's right, Nigel. That's exactly what Veeam delivers. Veeam helps organizations to stay radically resilient in the face of any challenges. So that's the end of our conversation today. Yeah, thank you, Nigel.
Thank you. It's a nice pleasure. Great chatting.
Thank you. Thanks. So that's the end of our conversation today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more updates about Aegis Cloud, please follow us in our social media at LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok.